Hi, my name is Scott Dodson, and I'm a customer of Chad and Charles at Pure Media Systems. We've had a phenomenal working relationship with Pure Media. They have really helped us set up our media room to our delight. We spend a tremendous amount of time in there now. They help set us up on some networking with the Sonos systems in a few parts of our houses as well, in our master bathroom, and most recently an incredible project in our backyard around our pool area and around our fire pit. We have other phases that we now have in mind where we'll have Chad and Charles come back and really help us realize our dream of really living in a space that has just a lot of excitement and a lot of audio-visual technologies and capabilities that everybody can enjoy. So I couldn't recommend their work any higher if I tried, and really would strongly recommend you giving them a call and coming out and seeing what they can do to help you enjoy your house as well.